Hello and welcome to this video about SystemVerilog interview questions on procedural statements and control flow Part 1. What is a blocking assignment in SystemVerilog? Can you provide an example of a blocking assignment? When would you use a blocking assignment? What is a non-blocking assignment in SystemVerilog? What is the difference between a blocking and a non-blocking assignment? Can you provide an example of a non-blocking assignment? When would you use a non-blocking assignment? For more detailed explanations and code examples, please refer to the files pinned in the comments section. That's it for today's video on SystemVerilog procedural statements and control flow interview questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.